So actually, like whenever we are supposed to scan, definitely we need this extension. So without this extension, we can't able to work with the Tosca. Okay, this is the one of the main content we need to remember. Like for every like for Firefox and for Edge, everything we need this extension. Okay, without extension, we are not supposed to work with the Tosca. Okay. So now what I am doing, I am removing my extensions from Firefox and also from the Chrome. Okay. So that I did now. So let us see how we are supposed to take the extension. Okay. So already we have yesterday we completed how to create a module folder and how to create uh, exact modules. Yesterday we see we saw, right? So same the process we are doing, scan application. So before going to take the extension, the application should be in open state. Okay. So click on application, right click, scan application. So select the application which you want to work, select that one and click on scan. See, whenever you don't have that extension, automatically one pop-up will arrive here. See, like this. In order to scan or record Firefox, you need to install Tosca automation extension for Firefox. So if you are clicking yes, automatically you will navigate to that extension. It will ask for you to add. So directly you have to click on add and click on OK. So then automatically your extension should be added. So if you verified here, you won't get that pop-up. Directly you will get click on controls in your application to add them. Okay. Now I'm going to add register. Click on save and close. So same thing, how we will get extension for the Google. Okay. So open the same application. So go for Tosca, right click, scan application. Same process. So now how you can found the Google. See here you have Mozilla like Firefox. So it is Google. Okay, we need to select the Google application and click on scan. Automatically you will get the pop-up. Why means you don't have that extension, right? If you are having that extension, you won't get the pop-up. So whenever you don't have that extension, then only you will get that pop-up. So yes. scan application. Whatever the extension you need, so that you have to do for all the same, like for all the browsers, like Firefox also. If you don't have browser, right click on that module folder, click on scan application. So then you will get the pop-up. So after clicking yes, automatically it will redirect to the extension page. Actually, sometimes there will be, see, Chrome cannot be accessed by the scan. Click on OK. Actually, here we don't have the extension, right? Already I have extension for another browser. Only particularly this browser I don't have, right? So that is why it is showing like that. So actually same pop-up will appear when you click on that yes, automatically it will redirect to the page. I will show it you again in the Firefox. Same the pop-up you will get in the Chrome also. Actually, I am having some issue with the Chrome. That is why I am using Firefox. I will show it you again here how to take that. First, I am removing. Click on scan application. Select that and click on scan. See, in order to scan. So here you need to click S, click on add. Same steps like in Chrome you will get, it will redirect to the Chrome extension page. There you need to click add extension, then automatically it will add. These are the steps you have to follow for Chrome. Like however you will get these extensions. I will show you. So you know about the extension, right? What are there in about the Chrome extensions? See, if you are not getting the pop-up, I will share you the extension directly. Okay. So tomorrow, like after installation was completed, I will share you the link of the extension for Chrome. Actually, I am having some issue with the Chrome, so that is why I am getting the issue. Okay. So once you are ready with the Tosca setup, I will show you. Okay. If you are not getting that pop-up, I will send you the link for that. So you can paste it and click on that extension, add your extension to the browser. Okay. So now, so whenever you are working with a Tosca, you need to make like one of some of the preconditions you need to follow. So that should be like your application, like it must be resolution should be 100%. Otherwise, what happens? See, I am reducing the resolution. If you are not keeping your application with 100%, observe what exactly it is happening. Scan application. Select that one and click on scan. See. So whenever you want to click on login, are you able to click that? If you observed the thing, like see here, it is empty space, but what is the name it is showing? Register. So it is login. But where you are seeing that controls, here you are seeing. So that is why definitely your resolution should be 100%. If your application was not having 100%, definitely you will get issue while you are scanning the application. So that is the main thing you have to remember. So yesterday we discussed related to these topics, right? Yesterday we don't have time to discuss like any doubts you are having, like while creating modules and while creating test cases and running the execution and all, like those who joined yesterday.
No.
Can I continue, right?
Yes, yes.
So once our modules were ready, like sometimes we will face issues with the title. So exact name we have to provide, like demo web shop in the title. So otherwise, definitely we will get error. Okay. So that is why one of the important thing you need to remember, in which page, like suppose if you are in login page, you can observe the title here. In which page you are moving, that completely the title should be different from each and every page. Whenever you are clicking on separate control, definitely the title should be differ from each control. So that is why whenever you are scanning, okay, what you will do, just click on demo webshop logo, verify this title, then scan here. Okay. So whatever the things you are going to scan, that should be like the title should be demo web shop only. If you observe to the modules where you can see the properties, you have to click on this white triangle, then related to that particular module, you will see the properties. Okay. See, uh, you can observe this, click on login link, title is demo web shop. So here only we have scanned this login. So that is why the title it is showing as demo web shop. And if you were observing the image here, like see whenever you are and clicking on this triangle, so it shows the attachment. So this attachment is nothing but in which page you are selected the login link. If you want to see this, if you are going to enlarge, so automatically you will see in the basic page only, like in the home page only, you have selected the login. So that is why it is showing the page. And uh, whatever the things we have under module, that we are calling it as attributes. Okay, so these are all attributes. So wherever you are collecting that module, definitely it will capture the photo of that page. Okay, so in that page you have collected this email, password, remember me, and login. Okay, and to close the browser and to open the browser, we are using the standard modules, that is from under tbox like modules folder, standard modules, and tbox extensions. And here HTML. HTML is nothing but web application elements. So all related to the web application elements, we will get under this HTML module folder. So here we are using open URL and close browser. Okay.
Okay.
So related to wait. So for waiting, like why we are giving wait? So whenever we are facing any loading issues while opening the application, so that time we are giving some wait. So how we can specify the wait here? In the same standard modules only, we have Tbox automation tools. Under the Tbox automation tools, we have timing. So under the timing, you have Tbox wait. Wherever you need, you just drag and drop that one and place here. Like after opening the URL, I need to wait for some time. Like sometimes it is like with any internet issues we are having, like we will get some loading issue, right? So without failing our test cases, what we are doing, just we are just we are giving some weight here. So wait for the T box wait, the default wait time is 3 seconds. Okay. So, but it is not a mandatory thing like in interview, nobody will ask. But for information, just I am saying like T box wait, the minimum wait time is 3 seconds. The seconds also we are giving like this in the milliseconds. Okay, so how much seconds you want to wait? Like suppose 1 second or 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, so like that you can specify the wait time. Okay, so after,
Yeah.
yeah, tell me.
So let example in a Selenium we have an element found, element not found exceptions now. So in
Hmm,
this time, so if you giving as an 3 seconds or 4 seconds,
hmm.
so due to the network issue or the due to Wi-Fi and mobile internet, the changes also page will takes times now. So
Yes, yes.
in the time like how the system will react, like it will wait for the element or it will throw the error or something else. What the
Actually, what happens here? Uh, as per the steps. Okay, once we are opening the URL, suppose we are having some network issue, the page is not loading. Still, it is loading.
okay,
It is not able to see the login link. What it will do? It will go for the click on the login link, and it will throw the error like no matching tab was found. related to the login link.
Okay.
And the title should be demo web shop. And like how, in the sense like the login is under the demo web shop title, right?
Yeah.
So it will throw the error like no matching tab was found for the login control. The title should be demo web shop.
Okay.
So like that, it will throw the error.
Okay. So
Hmm.
in one more doubt. So
Yeah.
in so we are scanning the page and we are getting the properties now. So in that property, let example the login ID related any XPath will be saved in the system, or how the system will think like this is an exact path, or which case like ID name or something else. How it will
Yes.
store.
Actually, this is one of the topic like we have identifiers. Okay. So
Okay.
in that we will explain in depth. Here I will cover in high level. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you are selecting the control, okay. So whatever the properties they have developed for related to this login technical properties, complete technical properties were capturing under the modules. Okay. Whenever you are observing this properties, okay, if you are observing this login link property, see, all the technical properties were here.
Okay.
So currently, um, for the login link, see, I will show you one thing. Yesterday you observed or not, I don't know. So whenever we are able to scan the application, like scan the control,
Hmm.
we need to observe one status, like status of that particular control. I will show you that. So here exactly the status of the particular control will be appear. Okay. So once I
Okay.
am selecting that control, it will show us the selected item is unique. That is the
Okay.
status of that particular control. Okay. If you
Okay.
want to see the properties, if you are selecting this three dots, so this is the properties for that particular login. Uh, Actually, see, these are the technical properties. Automatically, we will get.
Okay.
Okay, so related to that particular login, whatever the developer develops the HTML elements, that completely will be visible under the properties.
Okay.
Okay, so here we are not considering ID as a unique one. Why
Hmm.
means ID is not a static part, it is a dynamic, right? It is
Yeah.
always keep on changing. So that is why we don't take it as like for getting the control unique, we are not taking this ID part. Okay, this we will discuss in the identifiers class deeply.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so everything, whatever the control having like that particular technical properties, that completely will come under our modules. Like in which way you are identifying that particular control, also you will get it.
Okay. Thanks.
Hmm. As we have this ID, XPath, the things we have, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
CSS, ID, name, class name, same like that we have, but we are not considering ID as to make the control unique.
Okay.
Hmm. This is the main thing we have to remember, like how to create a modules and how to get like each and every module becoming one test step here. Are you observing that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. While creating a test cases, what you will do, you will follow the manual test steps, like how you are writing the manual test cases, right? Like
Hmm.
scenarios like for login, verify, like here we are not verifying, just here we are working with the login link, right? Uh, So login and enter the credentials or something like this. So here also change the test case, like in test cases thing only. Enter the URL. Wait for some time. Anything is fine that is related to you. Okay. Enter the username and like here we have email, right? The email and password. So whenever it is related to the check boxes, you will get true or false. Okay.
Okay.
For like you know about this text boxes, radio buttons, everything, right?
Yeah.
Like what are these are the radio buttons. So these are the text boxes and this is a button. And these are the links. Links is nothing but whenever we are clicking, it is navigating to that page. Okay,
Mm.
when in the text box, we are supposed to enter the values. So, but particularly for checkbox, you want to select this checkbox. So instead of click and right click, you will get true or false.
Okay, as a
Okay,
boolean.
yes. Select this one, and if you want to select this checkbox, you need to give true. If you want to uncheck, just give false.
Okay.
Okay, if you are trying to run automatically, it won't take the checkbox.
Okay.
And while giving the mail ID, so give the exact name. Otherwise, it throw error. Okay. So any doubt here?
So here data type is there now. So in this case, like you're giving a Tosca one, na? So can I change string to alphanumerical or something else, or it should be the mandatory field or
No, actually, it is anything is fine here. But duplicate name is not like
allowed?
suppose, yeah. Whenever like if you want to uh, work with the email ID and password, you don't have a mail ID and password, right? So
Mm.
you can use this one,
Okay.
okay? Or else we need to create by using register.
Mm.
Register we will discuss tomorrow. Actually, it will take some time, like how to scan this radio buttons and all.
Okay.
Uh, these things it will take time. So tomorrow we will discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And tomorrow onwards, exact class will be started. Okay, whatever doubts related to Tosca, you can ask now. Complete overall doubts you have like related to how hands-on experience and related to the job profile, anything is fine for the
Can I ask,
certifications and all.
can I ask last or now itself?
Okay. So what about you, Sudhakar?
Hi, madam.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, yesterday I joined the class.
Hmm.
Today also joined. So
Hmm.
tomorrow onwards I continue the classes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
And
have 12 years of experience in manual testing.
yeah,
Presently I am working in entity data. When I want to change the computer, that's why I have to learn the task automation too. I have
okay.
to,
You have any knowledge on automation, Sudhakar?
no, madam.
No. Okay. Okay, definitely you will get a good opportunity for Tosca. Like you have a 12 years of experience. Just keep three plus is enough in Tosca. Definitely you will get a good chance and good pay also. For Tosca automation, currently in the market, the payment is very high. That is, the people were choosing Tosca automation instead of Selenium. Like comparing to the packages, for the Selenium, you are getting less package, but for Tosca automation, it is little high. From April onwards, you are having high like number of opportunities like April, May.
Okay.
Yeah. Vasundhara, you want to ask something?
Yeah, how are the openings in USA with those?
USA,
Yeah,
like from like you want to try from USA only?
yes, yes. Currently, I'm in USA.
Okay. Actually, as per my students, they were learning for interview.
Mm-hmm.
So currently there also they were searching for Tosca. Like Tosca opportunities are there.
Okay.
Mm.
Did any one of your students got placed into jobs with Tosca experience?
No, recently only they have completed. They were trying like in USA, like two
Okay, okay.
only two are there. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they were trying.
Okay.
But I heard like one of like in my organization,
Mm-hmm.
one of my colleague like previously she worked in my company and she moved to USA. She got
Oh,
placed in one of big MNC with the Tosca automation only. Actually, she is
oh,
having 3 years of experience with Tosca,
mm-hmm.
so she got placed in USA.
Okay, sounds.
Actually, here in USA, you don't need to put any fake. If you are ready to give an interview with a particular tool, they were ready to take you. Without having experience also, if you are having a normal experience also, you are going to clear the interview with the technical prospects. So definitely they will take you. Only you
Okay.
need to have knowledge on that particular tool.
So
No
what
need
about
of
in India?
India, and definitely they will ask experience related to the particular tool, whatever you are mentioning. Like still it is in progress. In like see in foreign countries, they were not specific. Like when I heard, really, I got uh, what little thing like I thought why they were not preferring experience. Like they were seeing only your technical things, like you are clearing the interview, like how much knowledge you are having on that particular tool. Only they were observing for you, even in Australia and also uh, in African countries and all. They were specifically seeing technically how much stuff you have. That is only they were observing. But here they were asking hands-on experience. Why means they don't have that much trust on the people. Like they will get uh, uh, in like once we are getting involved into the project also, little confusion will be there. Like we are able to do or not. Like we are fulfilling their thoughts or not. They will have that confusion. So that is why that is not that much easy here. Like definitely we need keep around 2 to 3 years of like already you are a manual testers. Only just you are saying your domain with a Tosca experience. Whatever the issues you are facing as a manual, that also like few things like error codes will be changed as part of Tosca automation. If you are aware of that error codes, definitely you will clear the interview. There
So
is no
then
that much difficulty.
So then we need to put as a fake the only which we are working as a tool into the Tosca, or you provide any other projects or something else?
No, already you have how many years of experience you have?
I have 5 years experience.
Currently you are working, right?
Yeah, I'm working
Yeah, as a manual tester,
as a manual and API.
API. So
Mm.
what you will do, put 2 years of experience with manual plus API.
Okay.
Okay. So remaining 3 years with the same domain, you keep with Tosca.
I think my tool is not preferred for any things like Selenium. Also, it doesn't support. It's a canvas-based projects.
Okay. What
That
is your domain?
so currently I'm working for the interior designing. So previously I worked for the AR and VR projects for the product base.
Okay, there only you
Argumentary,
are having manual testing, right?
manual API and mobile.
Mobile. Yeah, you can do with the Tosca.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely. It will support.
Okay.
Mm. Like you asked me, right, yesterday, like only related to .NET and
Yeah, yeah,
C
yeah.
Sharp. That is not mandatory, actually. In my organization, they were developing the application by using Python also.
Okay.
Yeah, that is not that much preferable. And actually, some of the applications, they were designing the C Sharp. Like even we have some classic modules, okay. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
these are all T-box modules. Directly, without doing anything, we are getting attributes like just selecting on that control, we are getting attributes also, right? But we have some classic modules. So as X module, we say, see this classic module. Here, whenever we are having any issue with the unique part, like we are not identifying the control, then
Mm-hmm.
what the candidates will do, they will create their own module and they will integrate this with the .NET code, like .NET and C Sharp code.
Okay.
Like whatever the things we are doing for Selenium, same like that they will do for this classic modules.
Okay.
So this time they need particularly C Sharp or .NET.
Okay.
Hmm. Like for the developing application, like some of the things were mandatory, like the resolution part, like we need to keep 100%, and we need to keep the
Classic
system
module
resolution.
doesn't work with any coding, man. Java or Python, only with
Uh,
C.
no, only with the
Does it?
C Sharp, only with the C Sharp, as I heard. Like when
Mm-hmm.
I'm attending the interviews, so
Mm-hmm.
I got selected for the SDET role. First round I cleared. Then later the client round, the project got hold. So that
Oh.
there I heard that whenever we are creating these classic modules, so
Mm-hmm.
they will develop with the help of C Sharp code. So for that sake, what they were preferring, those who are having knowledge with the programming, like even though if you are having knowledge with the Java also, like
Mm-hmm.
there is no much difference for Java, C Sharp and Python. Like
Yes.
all the
Yes.
concepts are same, right? So if
Yes.
even though you are okay with the Java, we will train C Sharp and we will take into the project. So that is their goal.
Module. Okay. Got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
So if you are having a basic knowledge of coding, you can try for SDET in Tosca. For that things, you need Tosca automation and one of the programming knowledge, and API is mandatory for SDET, and some of
Mm-hmm.
the manual concepts. This is the mandatory for SDET role in Tosca.
Okay. We can
Yeah.
automate API without Postman, right? Here.
Yes, without Postman we can do. Separate
Oh.
option we have. Without opening Tosca also you can open this API testing and you can work with that endpoint URLs. Same, however you are having in the Postman, like params headers,
Mm.
body content
Body.
like JSON code you are verifying, no? So everything
Yes.
you will be having here here in API scan also. So like how in what way you are getting URI and the endpoint URL. So based upon that only you are working. But here no need to create a separate test case. Automatically the test cases and modules will be created as part of this API. That option
Okay.
we have.
Oh,
When compared to Postman, it is little easier.
easy. Okay.
Yeah, we can automate.
Mhm.
And while creating modules and test cases, don't forget to save. Otherwise, you can lose your modules and test cases. Again, you have to scan and you need to work.
Okay, so we don't have auto save something else.
No, no, no. Definitely, we need to click on save. Control S is also fine.
No. So in this course we are, I heard about like Vision AI something in it, Tricentis.
Vision
Very.
AI actually it is a part of XScan. Like whenever we are like whenever the controls were updating.
Mm-hmm.
So as a part of XScan, only few things we will discuss about AI, that Vision AI.
Okay.
Yeah. As part of our course, we will discuss completely about Tosca automation and with SAP and API and
Okay.
desktop applications.
So we get a materials, na? Like how?
Actually, we don't have any particular material for the Tosca.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, while we are discussing the concepts, while you will get the recordings, right? You will note it down on the notebook, like running notes you will maintain. Like as part of interview prospect, you have a separate, like in Google, you have Tosca manuals.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to go through this Tosca manuals. Each and every topic, you will get information here. Actually, the Tosca is a ocean. There are
Okay.
number of concepts in Tosca. Like we have a management tool in Tosca, like Qtest. We have performance testing, Tosca Neoload. Data integrity is there, CI/CD, and uh, API. We have certifications, SAP, Salesforce. More applications we are having with the Tosca. If you are you have complete knowledge of Tosca, how to use. So then automatically with any of the domain, any of the application, you can easily work with that application. In our course, we will completely learning about like we are learning about this AS1 and AS2 topics and SAP related certifications related course. Like we are covering here 4 courses here. Okay, like 4 certification courses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have one doubt, ma'am. Could you
Yeah,
please
yeah.
let me know the difference between SAP and Salesforce? I am not aware of that.
Actually, SAP is related to the complete of sales, HR related. Here we are having some T codes based upon that. We are like suppose we are working on sales and distribution. Uh, from order to like from sales and order to delivery part, everything we will manage with the help of some T codes. Okay.
Mhm.
Coming to the Salesforce here, like it is related to the product based completely Salesforce, like CRM, customer resource management. Suppose you are you want to purchase any like washing machine or AC, and like now that is summer, right? So you went
Mm-hmm.
to you went to a shop and you
Yeah.
asked for a AC. What that people
Oh,
do, they will write your contact number. Like today, these many leads we got. Like these many people were came to the shop and they verified about our product and they have taken the details of that particular product. Okay, what they will do next time? They will follow up to the people, those who came to the shop and they asked for the ACs. So how much they were interested. Okay, so once
okay.
they have taken the leads from that, like 2 or 3 leads they were having, like they were ready to buy the product. So what they will do, they will give quotations for them. Like this is the price of our product. This much we are charging, and this much discount we are giving to the customer. Like that details they will send to the customer. So once it was done, they will take the order. Like these among these many leads we got these many, like among 100 leads we got 50 orders. So all these 50 ready to dispatch in the next month. Like in the next month we have this much of product sales. The complete information, like from starting to collecting the information from the customer and getting the data from the customer and giving the price details to the customer, everything should be comes under Salesforce. Here in the Salesforce, we are having classic and lightning. There will be little difference with the two modes. So once you are learning the Tosca, you are supposed to work with that application also.
Okay.
Yeah, completely
Will
depends
you
upon the customer resource management, CRM
okay.
application.
Will you cover both SAP and Salesforce?
No, only we are having SAP here. If you want
Okay.
to learn Salesforce, I will give guidance. I will give information and the last, like whenever you are supposed to cover the AS1 and AS2 certifications, right?
Okay.
So that time, and one more thing, create the mail IDs, like uh, for the certifications, you can use your uh, mail IDs, like company mail IDs. There is no restriction for that. Easily you can write the certifications using your company mail ID. Okay, that
Okay.
process
Mm.
also I will show you, and I will guide you how to complete the certifications and how many certifications we have in the TOSCA in the market. What are the main certificates they were asking? Everything we will guide you, and also we are having a mock interview. Based upon that, we will help you in the like placing in some companies. Like sometimes we are getting the referrals, like any of the guy was clearing the mock interviews and they were performing well. We will give their profiles to the companies, and they will ready for the interview and all. They will prepare for that, and they will collect the students. Like that, they some things will happen here. So those who were practicing more and active in the interview and all, we will push their profiles to the companies. Like if they were asking, like the MNCs will come to our institute, if it is possible, we will push your profiles based upon your performance in the mock interviews. Okay.
And are we able to integrate the Cucumber framework or test engine no need in this Tosca? Right?
No, 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 no need. Not at all need.
Oh.
Cucumber and TestNG completely it is related to Selenium, right?
And what is point of sales system? POS.
What is?
Point of sales system. POS.
Yes. No, it is related to.
Um, yeah, I think about sales only. Yeah, I have seen some requirements with the point of sale system.
Oh,
QA.
okay. Actually, it is related to, I think, SAP only, like order to
Oh,
cash, MM.
That we call the POS is a machine, the swiping machine, basically.
Oh, maybe it's a banking domain related, right?
Yeah, like this when we
Oh,
do the transaction,
hmm,
shopping mall complex, that small
hmm, hmm.
machine, that's called
Oh,
as an POS.
okay, fine.
So in the SAP means we are connecting. I mean, we integrate within a SAP GUI or SAP any other modules.
We are integrating with SAP GUI only.
Okay.
Like once you are okay with the SAP GUI, automatically you can work with Fiori also.
Yeah, actually, I have an
Everything is
experience
fine.
in SAP GUI.
Oh, okay. Then it is
So
fine.
we use
With
SAP.
which modules?
So SAP GUI, we have an ERP system. So
Okay.
for the product-based company, so that's the reason we recently moved to the SAP GUI.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah. So based upon the requirements, you are able to clear around, suppose if they were asking 20 questions, you are clearing around 15 also, 15 to 18 also, it is fine. Like that much difficult uh, will be there. Like, but hands-on experience, whenever we are discussing the topics and we are doing practice again and again, you will get grip on that. Easily you can clear the interview. No need of worry about that. We will share some interview questions also, like
Oh,
real-time interview questions, not particularly the definitions. Okay, it's in
okay. What
real time.
about the licensing? Like why? Because I hear like it only provides a free some set of number of days license now. So let after.
Actually, trial version is only for 14 days.
Okay.
Okay, but once you are done with your uh, like you are ready to join, we will give setup and all. Like everything will be arranged from the back end team.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's the reason
for
I'm asking.
practice.
Like
Yeah.
once the 40 days of the course, so
Hmm.
once we need to go with an hands-on practice now, so it might take
Yes,
the some little
definitely you
bit
will
time.
get. Yeah, it will take. You will get definitely.
Okay. Fine.
Hmm. Actually, this I started on April 24th of last year. If April 4th or March, yeah, April 4th I started. Till now I'm continuing this only.
Okay.
Yeah. But that should be a limited one. Like no need to give your credentials to another one. Like that way we need to use. These many hours will be there for particular username and password.
Okay.
Yeah. Hope I'm thinking that tomorrow onwards we will start the regular sessions.